Hi everybody, Carmen here with Quality Sewing and Vacuum. I am so excited to announce we are hosting a 3-day sewing, quilting, and embroidery retreat. This is coming May 9th to 11th to the Seattle area. It is going to be in Tukwila at the DoubleTree Suites Southcenter. This is really close to the Seattle airport. In case you don't live close by, it'll be really easy to jump over and come and see us. It's going to be a great time. We have amazing educators planned for you. You're going to learn a lot of different tips and techniques. You'll make 4 different hands-on projects. Plus, we have great lectures. There's going to be amazing food. We are supplying everything: the catered lunch, the snacks, not to mention beautiful top-of-the-line sewing machines, quilting machines, sergers, long arm machines. You are going to have a great time making great projects. And our educators are phenomenal. We have Amanda Murphy coming. So if you don't know Amanda, she is a delight. And she is a pattern designer and she designs fabric. She has books. She's really a wealth of information. Not only is she going to be doing a lecture, but she will also be teaching a hands-on class. And we have other industry experts coming, including Pam Mashi, Christy Bersham, Sandra Swick, and Kimberly Dotson, just to name a few. You are not going to want to miss this. It is going to be an amazing time. So grab a friend, treat yourself, come and relax for 3 days of sewing, quilting, and embroidery fun, all at the beautiful DoubleTree Suites in Southcenter, May 9th through 11th. Sign up on our website at qualitysewing.com because this event will sell out.